Hey guys, welcome back to my pizzeria of vegan iniquity, where I've made a white pizza. I've always wanted to make a white pizza, and I never have before. White pizzas are often just made without any sauce at all, just cheese. But I made myself a nice bechamel sauce with garlic and thyme, and I thickened it up with some cashew cream, cooked it till it got nice and thick and pasty because you want a nice thick sauce for a pizza. You don't want a thin and watery one. So then I spread the dough with the cream sauce. It's the same store-bought health food store pizza crust I usually get when I don't feel like mixing up dough. And then I put mozzarella cheese. I put a combination of Vio Life and Vita Light mozzarella shreds. And then the best part of all, I stewed some onions. I cut up a whole fairly large yellow onion into onion rings and stewed it in butter and white wine for about 20 minutes until it looked like this. And then I put it on top of the pizza, baked it at 475 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. And then I sprinkled some fresh thyme on top after it came out of the oven because I didn't want to burn the fresh thyme. So let me take a taste. It's still very hot to the touch. I thought I'd left it to cool long enough, but I guess not. But here goes. This is the first time I've ever tried this recipe. I just made it up. Oh, it is so good. I just thought that the stewed onions would be a really good topping for a white pizza, and they are. I mean, it's basically onions and cheese, another version of onions and cheese, which you can never go wrong with onions and cheese. Everything is wonderful, and I love it with the cream sauce. I don't think I would like it as much with just cheese. It's extra good with the cream sauce. So, I will have the rest. Oh my gosh. It keeps on giving even after you've swallowed your first bite. It's so good. I'll have the recipe on my blog, and I will link it in the description along with a link to the previous video. Regular uploads, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. Regular community tab posts, Monday and Friday. Occasional shorts Wednesday. Occasional cat videos on Catterday. Thank you as always for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And I'm going to leave you with another bite because it's irresistible. It is so good. Those onions are just I think it was Solly's Butter Burger that did the butter stewed onions with white wine. What a wonderful discovery. mm. Mm. See you later, guys.